everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is super exciting because we are heading from Kyoto to Tokyo on the iconic Shinkansen, and later we are heading to Tokyo DisneySea. So first up, let's talk about Shinkansen. If you are planning to travel between cities like Kyoto and Tokyo, the Shinkansen is the fastest and most convenient way. I booked our tickets in advance via Klook, which was super simple. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And all you need to do is select the route, date, and time, and you receive a QR code or voucher. Once you are in Japan, you can exchange that at the ticket counter or at selected JR machines. More details can be found in this Klook guide. We arrived in Tokyo. It was straight to the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel to drop our luggages, and the hotel is literally right outside the entrance of Disneyland. It's so convenient for both DisneySea and Disneyland. We booked the hotel directly via official Tokyo Disney Resort website, and you will get early entry to the parks and other exclusive perks too. As for the Disney park tickets, you can buy it from Klook or their official website, and you will receive a QR code which acts as your e-ticket at the entrance. A tip from me when traveling, always save the e-tickets as an offline file in your phone so that you can easily access to it just in case your overseas data is slow or you can't get any signal, and share it with at least one of your other traveling partners. Before heading into the parks, make sure you download the Disney app. And here's what you can do with the app. You can check wait times for the rides and attractions. You can reserve entry requests or purchase the Premium Access, which is their version of Fast Pass. And you can view the show schedules and entertainment timings, order food in advance or selected restaurants. You can find the restrooms, shops, and even character greetings. So it's super helpful for planning your day and maximizing your time in the park. Indiana Jones using priority pass 是 free 的，有一个固定的时间，然后这里会有一个 QR code， 然后我们就能进了，然后你只要 scan 就能进。那里是普通排队，我们这里是有 priority access。
こちらコントロールセンター、潜水艇遠隔操作スタンバイ、サーチライト作動テスト。まもなく異常震動
存在するかもしれん。諸君の任務はその謎を解き明かす。
このままでは潜水艇が危険です。
何かに襲われているに違いない。全速力で通過させるのだ。
捕まえているようです。動きません。では
ニューヨーク 者
What's that?
也可以试一下。
Oh, can eh? It's not focusing. Oh, change picture lah. Churros， 这是 sweet potato ice cream。很好吃啊！它有点咸，有点甜。
比 USJ 的 churros 比较好吃。
好吃哎。We had our dinner at restaurant Sakura, which is located inside DisneySea. I booked our dinner in advance via the official Disney website, and I highly recommend doing the same. There are other restaurants options that are available in DisneySea, which you can check out the menu online before making your booking. And after dinner, we head back to our hotel room to rest. And tomorrow, we will be heading to Disneyland. This is the view of our hotel at night. It's really beautiful. And this is the view from our hotel room. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. See you. Bye bye.